What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Traders Lounge. So in this video, we're going to be going over the 3 trades that I took last week. Okay, so let's hop right into it. Let me share my screen with you guys. Share my desktop. Okay, we're just going to just get right into it because you already know how I do. So I took this trade on May 9th, which was, I believe it was on Monday. This was Monday. This is on EJ right now, 15-minute, as you can see right up here. So I trade the same way, like I've been trading every week. Nothing has changed. I've been doing the same thing. I've been consistent with just doing the same thing. So price broke above here, as you can see, with a little wick here. Price came down, tapped my zone right here. Once it broke above that, boom, that was my entry at candle wick flip right there. I have my 10 pip TP already marked, so I know where I'm closing half at 10 and moving my stop loss to break even, which is right here. Close half at 10 pips, move stop to break even. And then price came at this resistance. I close more of the trade. I'll close partial at resistance right here, and then I close full trade at TP right there. Okay, I'm gonna go through these pretty quickly because, like I said, it's the same thing, just repetitive, because that's what it is, just being consistent. Okay. Same thing over here. This is on GJ on the 1 hour. I take all my entries on the 15-minute. It depends on what time it is as well. Also, like what part of the hour it is. That will determine if I'm going to actually take it on the 15-minute or if I'm going to take it on like the 1 hour. Because if it's like, say it's like 8:58 and the 4 hours about to close, like 8:58 a.m. and the 9 o'clock candle is about to open, then I'm on the 4-hour chart. I'm looking for that 4-hour flip. Or if it's 7:58 and the 8 o'clock, the hour is about to close and a new hour is about to open, then I'm going to be looking at the hourly or the 30-minute for an entry. Okay. But if it's like 7 o'clock, 7:15, 7:10, then I'm more so looking at the 15-minute chart for an entry. So this is on the 1 hour. So we have the 1 hour break right here. The next candle came down right here, tested this area. Once it flipped above, that was my entry at candle wick flip. Price came up here, closed half at 10 pips. I had my 10 pip right here and stopped out pretty even. So price came up and it wicked back down. So I was still able to get my 10 pips. That was on the Tuesday, I think it was May 10th. So this is EJ. I took a loss here. This was on May 12th. This is on the 15-minute up here at top, as you can see. So essentially what is happening here is clearly you can see that this is a bull flag, but I was looking to catch the trade coming down a little bit more, but it didn't end up coming back up. Now, so here, same thing, always. My zone is here, right? Price came down. It broke through that's my signal right there. Price, it wicked like a little bit down below and I enter, that's my entry. Like it was my entry here, right? Same thing, doesn't matter. Nothing changes. My entry, I had my 10 pip TP right here. Once I saw price coming up here, close partial for a loss, then I got stopped out. Now, what I've been noticing that the market will do when it's changing direction, and I should have noticed this here, I should have closed this trade out a lot earlier instead of letting it hit my stop. But it was really good trade management. I'm not going to lie about that, but it could have been better. And where it could have been better was price right here. Usually when you see something like this, like you have a bearish candle and then you have a bullish candle like that, price is going to change. Also here you have a bullish candle and then a bearish candle like that right next to each other. Like this is considered a fake out. Prices, the direction is changing. So once I seen this here, this is when I should have put price created resistance. This is where I should have put support rather. Price created support. This is where I should have put my support here, and I should have closed it out once this candle closed. And once I identified this and then just took the buy, I should have took the buy here. I should have just closed my trade out for the sale. We're not going down because there's this bullish move right here. Price created resistance, and I should have took the buy up. That is something that I noticed there. So these are the only 3 trades that I took last week. 2 out of 3 were winners. Also, what I noticed is that the less trades that I take, the more profitable I am. Going back and reviewing my trades for I think it was March, April. I think it was April or March. There was 1 week where I took 9 trades in that week, and I still ended up profitable, but it wasn't as profitable as I thought it would be, if that makes sense. And I'm not just saying like I'm ungrateful for how much I made, but it's the fact that I made less trading more than I've made trading. I've made more trading less than I've made trading more. If that makes sense. So when I trade less, I make more. When I trade more, I make less. That makes sense. So I realize it's true. Trade less, profit more. So when I take less trades, I profit more. So that's what I'm watching too. Is like making sure that I'm just taking like, 1 trade a session, 2 max if it's a good setup. After it has to be like an A1 textbook setup. Direction is perfect and clear. Like everything has to be perfect in order for me to take a second trade after winning the first trade. So that's something that I'm looking out for too. Something that I want to work on is because I have 2 accounts right now. So one I'm day trading and the other one I'm swing trading. I'm doing well right now in my day trading account. It's my swing trade, and I need to get better at and understanding like what I want to see as far as like entries, and what like the higher. I'm good on the lower time frames. The higher time frames I need to wait for like I think I talked about it before, like 4-hour closures, like because I went over my 77 pip win that I had. I waited for a 4-hour closure. I've been waiting for the 4-hour closures, but they have not been working essentially right now. They're not essentially working. So I don't want to tweak it. I want to tweak it, but I don't want to tweak it too much to where I'm changing the strategy, because it could just be the market condition right now where the 4-hour candle flips are not being profitable right now. That could essentially be what it is. So I'm not gonna stress about it too much. I'm just going to just stay focused and just figure out like, okay, just study the higher time frames a little bit more and see what price is doing in the market now, which is what I'm seeing. But on my day trading account, I'm doing pretty good. I'm consistent. I've right now, for this new week that's happening right now, I am up 2 trades. I'm blessed. I'm down 2 trades in the swing account. We'll definitely be going over that next week. The week isn't over yet for this trading week, but yeah. So right now I'm 2 for 2 in my day trading account, and I'm 0 for 2 in my swing trading account. So right now, like I'm focusing on my swing positions, like I said, like my entries and such. So that's something that I'm working on right now. But yeah, it's a quick little video for you guys. Not going to be as long as it was before, but just 3 trades that I wanted to go over with you guys that I took last week. So I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, let me know how your trading week is going. If you guys have any questions, any videos that you guys want me to make for you, I will make it for you. Yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next video.